In a bold declaration that has sent shockwaves through the scientific community, NASA researchers have announced the discovery of extraordinary features on a planetary body unlike any we've ever seen. This dwarf planet, Ceres, recently observed with groundbreaking clarity, has not only stunned scientists because of its location and unique composition but also due to an unexpected phenomenon. It emits mysterious lights resembling signals or reflections that seem crafted not by nature but perhaps by something, or someone, else. Could these extraordinary lights be merely a glimpse into unknown geological activity? Or do they hint at something far more profound? Might this be the key to unlocking secrets that could dramatically reshape our understanding of the universe and our place in it? With each new observation and mission, NASA is steadily moving us closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions: are we alone in the universe? And Ceres might just hold the answer. Our journey to this astonishing discovery began in 2007, though the story of Ceres itself stretches back much further. On September 27, 2007, NASA launched the Dawn spacecraft, a mission designed specifically to explore the two largest bodies in the asteroid belt, Vesta and Ceres. Unlike traditional spacecraft, Dawn was equipped with revolutionary ion propulsion engines that allowed it to orbit multiple distant bodies, a first in space exploration history. This innovative propulsion system created a gentle yet constant thrust, allowing the spacecraft to gradually build up tremendous speed while using remarkably little fuel. The efficiency of this system made Dawn's ambitious mission possible, to visit and extensively study not one, but two of the largest objects in the asteroid belt. After a journey of nearly 4 years, Dawn first reached Vesta in July 2011. For 14 months, it orbited this massive asteroid, transmitting thousands of detailed images and collecting valuable data about its composition and structure. These observations revealed Vesta's rich geological past, including evidence of ancient lava flows that solidified on its surface billions of years ago. But as fascinating as Vesta was, it was merely the prelude to what would become the mission's most thrilling destination: the mysterious dwarf planet Ceres. Before we delve into Dawn's revolutionary discoveries, let's understand what makes Ceres so special. Discovered on January 1, 1801, by Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi, Ceres holds the distinction of being the first asteroid ever discovered. For over 2 centuries, our understanding of this celestial body has evolved dramatically. Initially, Ceres was considered a planet, the 8th planet of our solar system at the time. Later, as more similar bodies were discovered in the same region, it was reclassified as an asteroid. That changed again in 2006 when the International Astronomical Union created the new classification of dwarf planet, into which Ceres fell alongside Pluto and several other distant objects. At approximately 950 kilometers in diameter, about the size of Texas, Ceres is the smallest dwarf planet yet still the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. This places it in a fascinating middle ground, too large to be a typical asteroid but too small to be considered a full-fledged planet. It's this unusual status that has made Ceres a subject of intense scientific curiosity. Unlike most asteroids, which are irregular chunks of rock, Ceres is massive enough that its own gravity has pulled it into a spherical shape. This suggests something even more intriguing: Ceres may be differentiated, meaning its interior could have distinct layers similar to Earth, with denser material pulled toward the center and lighter material forming an outer crust. For decades, Earth-based observations hinted that Ceres might contain substantial amounts of water ice, perhaps as much as 25% of its total mass. If true, this would make Ceres a water-rich world with more fresh water than Earth, despite being a fraction of our planet's size. Such abundance of water raises profound questions about its potential to harbor life, even if only in microbial form. But before the Dawn mission, these were merely educated guesses. The true nature of Ceres remained shrouded in mystery, appearing as little more than a fuzzy dot even through our most powerful telescopes. All that was about to change. After bidding farewell to Vesta, Dawn spent 2.5 years journeying to Ceres. On March 6, 2015, it made history by becoming the first spacecraft to orbit a dwarf planet, beating the New Horizons mission to Pluto by several months. As Dawn gradually spiraled closer to Ceres, each new image revealed unprecedented details of this alien world. What emerged was a heavily cratered, ancient surface that bore witness to billions of years of cosmic impacts. Its color was predominantly a dull, dusty gray, exactly what astronomers expected from a primitive body composed largely of rock and ice. But among this seemingly mundane landscape, something unexpected appeared that immediately captured worldwide attention: dazzling bright spots that shone like diamonds against Seer's dark surface. These weren't just isolated flashes, they appeared in clusters, with the most prominent collection nestled inside a large impact crater now known as a Cater crater. The contrast was striking. While the rest of Seers reflected about 9% of the sunlight that hit it, similar to asphalt, these mysterious spots reflected up to 40% of incoming light, making them brilliantly white against their darker surroundings. Even more intriguing was that these bright patches reflected light in ways that seemed decidedly unnatural. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel for further more updates about space.